So good morning, all of you. Today's session, we are going to start our first tool in web designing, that is HTML. Our first tool in web designing, that is HTML. What is HTML means? We can say like HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is hypertext? What is hypertext means? Generally, so when we see a web page, when I click on a particular text, it is loading a specific page. When we click on a particular text, it is loading some page for us. So that text, we call it hypertext. Generally, you might have heard like hyperlinks. Hyperlinks, when we take, they are of two types. One is hypertext, second one hypermedia. Ante, if a text is created as a hyperlink, so we call it hypertext. Now you can see here. Media means, suppose I have some image. When I click on that image, if some content is loaded, now you can see there is an image available. When I click on this image, a specific content is loaded. Hypermedia, we call it. Then markup. What is markup means? Markup is nothing but presentation. Markup, it is nothing but presentation. When we see the web page here, here you can see the page was displayed with different sizes, different colors, different backgrounds. That is what exactly we call markup. Ante, how we want to see our data. How we want to see our data, that is what exactly we call it markup. What is the purpose of HTML? Means HTML, it is used to display or publish data on a web page. I want to print some data on the web page. For that purpose, we can use HTML. So what is data here? The data means it can be some text. The data can be an audio. The data can be a video or anything, or a map or anything. We call it a data here. It can be a text, it can be an image, it can be an audio file, it can be a video file. So what data you are going to present? So to print the data on the page, we'll be using HTML. So this language, HTML, this language was derived from a markup language called SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. Standard Generalized Markup Language. So when we take HTML programming language, it was derived from a language called SGML. And it derived in the sense, the programming style of HTML. The programming style of HTML, it was taken from the markup language called SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. And this language, when we take this language, it was developed by the markup language called HTML. This was developed by the developer of HTML. He is Tim Berners-Lee. In 1993, he developed this programming language. Tim Berners-Lee, he is one of the founders of Internet. Tim Berners-Lee, he is one of the founders of Internet. So he built the programming language or the markup language called HTML. Then how to write programs in HTML? How to write HTML code? And what they say is, programming in HTML is implemented in the form of elements, called tags, commands, or whatever the elements we use in HTML, we call them tags. Tags are commands or elements, we call them. Programming in HTML, it is implemented in the form of tags. So tags in HTML, when we take, they can be written in two ways. There are two different ways how we can create tags in HTML. What are they means? First, we call them paired tags, or even we call them container tags. Paired tags or container tags. So what it means? A paired tag includes an open tag, a closed tag, and some content inside. An open tag, a closed tag, and some content inside. Like for example, I want to display some paragraph. To display a paragraph on your page, they have provided a tag called P. Tags, they are written inside these symbols. We call them angle braces. Angle braces. In these symbols, we'll write the tags. And these are called flower braces or curly braces. Flower braces or curly braces. They are called open braces or parentheses. Open braces or parentheses. And these are called square braces or closed braces. And as the symbols in computers, we call like this. The tag name, like there is a tag called paragraph P. So it is written like this. And inside I will write some text. I will write some content. This is a paragraph. And close it. So here, this is what we call an open tag. It indicates the paragraph started. And this is the closed tag. Closed tag is declared with the slash, this symbol. It indicates paragraph ended. So whatever the text we write in between the paragraph tags, that text will have the paragraph effect. It was displayed as a paragraph style. Like this we can write, and this is the content. So a paired tag includes an open tag, a closed tag, and some content inside. So we call them paired tags. The next set of tags we have, we call them unpaired tags, or even we call them empty tags. Unpaired tags are empty tags, and these tags includes an open tag only. An open tag only, they don't have any closing symbols. They don't have any closing symbols. They contain an open tag only. Like for example, in HTML, we have some tags available. BR, input, image. They don't have any closing symbol. So just we will create the tag like this. But according to HTML5, standard, what they say is every tag must be closed. Every tag that is opened, it must be closed. So that's why, because they don't have any closing tags, we will start the tag here. We will close the tag like this. Start the tag like input, and then I can close it. Start the tag like image, and then I will close it. Self-closing tags, we call them. So whatever the data we want to present, that data will be written in between the tags like this. Next, what? Each tag in HTML will have a set of properties. Each tag in HTML will have a set of properties called attributes. The values of these attributes, can be either predefined or user-defined. They can be either predefined or user custom defined. So what it means, like for example, I have taken some paragraph here. Generally, if we don't specify anything, the text is always displayed with left alignment. Okay, now if we don't specify anything, by default, the text will have left alignment there. If required, and this paragraph tag, it is having a property attribute called align. If we don't specify any value, it will have a default value called left. So that's why the text is displayed from left. That is predefined value. Suppose I want to place it on the center, then I will use a value called center. If this property, it contains a value called center, means it is center aligned. Means the text is center aligned, like this we will write. They will have a property called align like this. Next, HTML programs or HTML pages also we call them. These pages, they will have an extension .html. They will have an extension .html or .html. There are many extensions available, .mhtml, xhtml, chtml, like that. But commonly we will be using two extensions here. One is .html, second one .htm. Next, HTML programs, they can be written using text editors. Text editors means what? Like Notepad, WordPad, they are called text editors. Or even we can use IDEs. IDE means integrated development environment. Like for example, we have Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, Atom, Brackets. Like that, there are plenty of IDEs available. IDEs, the main advantage is they will make our programming easier. They will make our programming faster. Easier and faster. And these programs, we can load them on browsers. To see our HTML data, HTML content, we will use browsers. Chrome, Safari, Opera, Firefox, Edge, any browser, we can use it. So, to display any data on our web page, the markup language called HTML, it was developed. Tim Berners-Lee, he is the developer of HTML programming language. Now, how to write a program in HTML? how to write a program in HTML. Now let's see here. The skeleton structure of a HTML page can be shown as below. What is the structure of a HTML page? What is a structure of a HTML program? We can write like this: skeleton structure of a HTML page. We can write like this. A HTML program, it starts with the tag called HTML. It starts with the tag HTML. HTML programs you can write in capital letters, small letters, any case, lowercase, uppercase, any case we can do. So HTML, head, body, like this we'll write. So here, this is what exactly we call comments. We call comments. Anyone, can you tell me what is the purpose of comments in programming? Why we write comments in programming? Hmm? Anyone? Generally, when we take C, C++, Java, any programming language, we used to provide comments there. So why should we use comments? They, to explain our program better, to understand our program better, we can describe our program in the form of English language sentences. To understand our program better, we can explain our program in the form of English language sentences. And these sentences, they are for our understanding only. So that's why we call them comments. To understand our program better, we can explain our program in the form of English language sentences, which we can use them for our understanding only. So that's why we call them comments. Comments in HTML, they are written in between the tags like this. So these are the tags in which we will write comments there. Okay, a HTML page, it starts with the tag called HTML. And it contains two child tags. One is a header tag, second one is a body tag. This header tag, what we'll do, here we call it the header section. Means if we want to provide any information about our web page, if we want to provide any information about our web page, we can write inside this header tag. So what this section includes? What this section includes means this section includes title of the document. This section includes title of the document. Title of the document means you see any web page, you can see PHP installation in the title bar. PHP installation in the title bar. And when I open some other page, you can see something like Meet. So that is what exactly we call title. And even you can write styles, CSS styles, scripts, JavaScript or something, links to external sources, links to external sources. And I want to include some CSS file in my page. I want to include a JavaScript file in my page. Such a type of things we can write inside. Even you have like meta tags. I will show them what are the meta tags. Like any content about our web page, we can write inside. Most commonly, the head tag, it includes a tag called title. In this, what we will write is text to be displayed on the title bar. Whatever the text we want to print on the title bar, we will write inside this tag. Text to be displayed on the title bar, we will write here like this. Text to be displayed on title bar. Just 1 minute. And whatever the content we write there, that content will be displayed on the title bar. Next, body tag. Whatever the data to be displayed on the web page. Whatever the data to be displayed on the web page, it is written here. What exactly we want to print on the web page, we will write here inside the body tag. The exact content we will write here. Like for example, see how it means, like for example, see here. First of all, to make this programming better, first of all, what we will do is, like let's try to install a software called Visual Studio Code. So the recordings will be provided to you. By going through the recording, you can install it. Just to open browser. Open browser and you type Visual Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download. Then it will show a link here. Download Visual Studio Code. code.visualstudio.com/download. You can see the link. Just click on this link. Just click on this hyperlink. Then it will show different options. If you want to install on Windows, you can click on it. This is a Linux, Unix environment. This is Mac environment. Windows, Unix, Mac. So I have Windows operating system. So I will go for Windows User Installer. I will click on User Installer. Now it will download the software for me. It will download the software for me. Just you can see 103 MB, it is there. Once it is downloaded, just click on it. Once it is downloaded, just click on it and you can start installation. First, I will click here. I accept the agreement. Just to go on clicking next, next, next. So here just select create a desktop icon. Next button, install. Just max 2 minutes downloading and installation. Okay, now the software is installed. This is the icon, Visual Studio Code. So Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, anything, just we can easily work here. So that's a Visual Studio Code here like this. So just click on this Visual Studio Code, double click to open. Double click to open it. So before going to work with the programming, what I will do, somewhere in my system, like for example, I'll create some folder here. Like otherwise no need. HTML programs. I'll create some folder here. In this folder, HTML program, some folder I will create. And inside this folder, what I will do, just I will copy some images. I will copy some images inside the folder. And even I will create a folder called images. I will copy and paste some images. HTML programs, I have created one folder. Inside, I have copied some images. And depending on our requirement, I will create one more folder called images, where I will copy the images here. Now let's start programming. Like what we have to do means, just here you have the options available. Go to file menu. And say open folder. Go to file menu and say open folder. Open your HTML programs folder. So where it is available? Somewhere I have created the folder called HTML programs. Click on it and just say select folder. Click on it and say just select folder. Now this is the Explorer. When you click on it, it will expand. Again, when you click, it will collapse. HTML programs. So I have the images folder. When I click on it, will open like this. And I have some JPG files. Whatever the files available, it will show like this. Next, here when we see, you have the options like new file, new folder, refresh Explorer, like that. Refresh Explorer, like that. They have provided the option. Now I want to create a new HTML page. Just click on new file. It will ask the file name. Just I will say welcome.html. HTML or HTML you can give, no problem. I will say welcome.html. Press enter key. Now it has created the file for us. Welcome.html created the file. Just start writing the code. I will use a comment here. And if you want to increase the font size, Control plus. Reduce the font size, Control minus. Just I will write here, this is a sample web page in HTML. Some comment I will write. Now I will start the tag. You can see when I type H, tag names starting with H. HTML, it will show. Just select it. HTML, it will show like this. Inside HTML, I have the header tag, and next I have the body tag. So header tag, inside I will take a title. Right now I will take only title. So I will display some title here, sample HTML page. I will just type some text, sample HTML page. In the body tag, just I'll write some text like welcome to full stack development program. Some text I will write, welcome to full stack development program. That's what we will write. So once done, just save the file. So this is what the file we have created. Now go to your folder, the location where your HTML file is saved. Go to your folder. Now you can see this is my welcome.html file. Welcome.html page, this is here. And when we see the icon, it is a Chrome symbol, it is showing. And I have set Chrome as a default software to open it. I set Chrome as a default software to open it. If you want to change it, what you can do, simple. Right click on the file, go to properties. Right click on the file, go to properties. You can see the option opens with. Click on the change button. Then it will show different softwares, what you want to open there. Which software you want to open, it will show. I want to open using Chrome only. I will select OK and click on the OK button. So now double click the file and you can see the content here. Double click, you can see the content here like this. Welcome to full stack development program. So this is what the text, and whatever the text we write in between the body tags, that text will be displayed on the web page. Even you can see sample HTML page. So the text we write in the title bar, it is displayed here. Sample HTML page. So once you know how to work with it, then you can start modifying the content. You can start modifying the content. So what I will do? This text, I want to place center of the page. Center of the page. So I will write in between the tags called center. I will write the text in between the tags called center. So that refresh the page. Now the text was displayed center. And any modifications we make, if we want to see them, refresh, reload button. Or just you can press F5 function key. That's it. Center. Now after this center tag, what I will do, I will write some text like this page was designed using HTML. This page was designed using HTML. Just I'll write like this. Okay, now refresh the page. This text, it was displayed left. So this content, it was displayed center, but it was displayed left. Why? Why it was displayed center? It was displayed left. That is markup. Ante, whatever the text we write in between the open and closed tag, only that text will have that effect. Ante here center effect. So in between the center tags, I have written that text. So this text will be placed in between. So that is the reason. So that's why we have to close a tag means that's the reason. So this text was not written inside center. So by default, it is displayed left. Now, if I don't close the center tag, what happens? If I don't close the center tag, what happens? Nothing. It will not show any error. But because the tag was not closed, the entire content was displayed center. Total text, it will have the center effect. No, I want only this text placed at center. That's why I have to close it. That is markup, how you want to see the data. You can write like this. And even you can see here the title bar. Even you can see here the title bar, sample HTML page. Suppose I have not closed the title tag. I have not closed the title tag. What happened? So I have not closed the title tag. What happened there? So you can see when we move the mouse pointer, the entire text is shifted to title bar. That's it. So that's why we have to close that tag, because only this text sample HTML page, it will be placed in the title bar. So this is how we have to work. And a simple programming with HTML is very simple. So I already told you HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, easy to learn. So once you have registered, immediately I will share the C language recordings. So that meanwhile, while working with HTML, you just practice with the C programming also. Even I will provide the softwares also. Why? Because interview point of view, even in interview point of view also, C language is very important. So whatever the domain you select, whether it is full stack or AWS or cloud, DevOps, ethical hacking, data science, data analytics, testing tools, everywhere, animations and graphics, everywhere you need programming. Programming is mandatory in IT field. So that's why I will share the recordings there. And you just go through them. You just start practicing them. So two advantages. The first one, you can understand what exactly is programming. Second advantage is how to write logics on your own. Okay, because we are developers, how to write logics on our own, it will help us. So in that way, you can use those videos. I already told you, see here, your next 40 years career is decided by this 4 months effort. How much time you spend for programming? Minimum 5 to 6 hours per day you have to spend. The best career, the best life you will get. Okay, how much package you will get, how much year-wise increment. So completely it is decided by these 4 months. Remember, strictly remember. So clear up to here? Any questions? So see here, I don't know the reason why you are not responding, but response is very important. Remember, professional field, you must be communicative. Many of times you might have seen in your class, the student who is irregular, the student who is an average student, one of your classmate, he will get job easily. So average knowledge, average attendance, but still he is getting job. Communication is important. Very, very important. Communication means not English. They will respond for everything. So they will interact with the people easily. That is very important. Why? Because when you go as a developer, when you go to IT field, you have to explain your work to several people. Suppose you are working on some project. Your client will ask you, explain your work. Or some person will ask you, your team leader will ask you. Or there may be 100 students, 100 people sitting in a room. You have to explain your work. So your growth depends on your interaction only. Remember, strictly remember. You have to communicate. It is not English or Telugu or something. Whatever you have inside, you must speak. That's all. Whatever you have inside, you must speak. Communication is very, very important. It is not English. So I told you, whether your answer is right or wrong, don't bother, just respond. When I say, have you done the programs? Yes or no? Have you understand or not? Yes or no? So I'm not a TV anchor or something where I can speak in one direction. So if you want to make it successful, you have to speak. Just unmute your audio. Unmute your mic and you can speak there. That is very important. Plenty of things are there. So the person who is going to interview you, they won't consider just only the questions and something. They will observe many things. The way how you are communicating, the way how you are speaking, the way how you are listening, even how you are sitting in the chair, your confidence levels. If you have good communication, means definitely confidence can be seen directly there. Many things they will observe. Once you get an IT job, life will completely change. But this 4 months or this 6 months, whatever it is, you have to work minimum 4 to 5 hours. I will tell you what you can do. And to practice my program, it will take only 1 hour. What next? Plenty of things you can do. Plenty of things you can do. Just follow whatever I say, just follow. Definitely you are going to rock there. Even our team is very sincerely, they are working for placement assistance, internships, and many things for you. The only thing is you show what you are doing, and our team will show what they can do. Okay, na? So just try to install the software and test the sample code. How to work with the different programming concepts. We'll continue the things in the tomorrow's session. Okay, na? We'll continue our programming. Daily different type of tags implementations will start from tomorrow's session. Right? Just install them if you have any issues while installation or something. Before starting every class, daily what you do, in the first 10 minutes, I will provide time for doubts resolution. If you have any doubts, if you have any issues during practice, you just try to resolve them. Right.